you know what? Super duper auntie na lang and I'm about to give birth already. So, I bought this. See, this is like my Christmas gift na sa self ko. And I got this even though it has like lots of parts daw, ganon. Tapos medyo hassle. Cause, bakit nga ba? Cause it's hospital grade and it's not noisy. So, let's unbox. And I didn't expect it to be small. I thought like huge siya. So, let us see. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Also sa mga nagko-comment dyan na, taba niya na, ganyan. I don't care at this point. Kasi auntie na lang. And, you know, super duper auntie na lang talaga. And you know what? I wanted to buy the Eufy one, pero kasi I can't find it on Amazon. I don't wanna pasabay for some reason. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ayan. So, ito na ba yung pump niya? Okay, so I think ito yung ganon. And then, ito yung flange. Ang dami nag-advise sa akin to like, get the right flange size. Am I saying it correctly? So there, okay. So yeah, I will update you guys how my pumping journey goes. Pump and pour! Oh my gosh, that is super happy ako sa mga bags. Now, ganito na yung binibili ko for myself. I'm excited actually.